Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Blue Ridge Silverhound, and today we have a quick little subscriber question, and it revolves around any coin that has these peculiar looking radial lines on here, these patterns that go around the coin in a very symmetrical type of fashion. And I want to take some time to kind of debunk exactly what we're seeing here, because some would say that, you know, this is an error. Okay, what kind of error is a Blue Ridge? Well, it's really not an error of any kind, unfortunately. With coins such as this, you got to keep in mind that the mint generally bags these up and then sends them off to the Federal Reserve. Okay, and then from there they get distributed however which way. Usually, you know, these armored car companies like Brinks and NF String and, you know, a few others would pick up the coins from the Fed Reserve, and then they would take it to their facility, and then they would open the bags and they would go ahead and roll them the way that you see rolls today at the bank. So what this is actually here is actually damage as a result of the rolling process at the armored car company. Okay, and let me just go ahead and do a fast explanation on why this happens. So in the when it comes to business, especially armored car companies, and then you service many contracts, a lot of these banks and financial institutions, the thing you want to keep in mind is there is going to be demand for all sorts of denominations of coins. So, and a huge demand at that. So for something like an armored car company, they would have to, you know, do a large quantity of the rolls in terms of putting them together, and, you know, they would have the machinery to do that. So this right here is an end coin to a full 50 coin roll. All right, let me go ahead and grab a roll here for you to further illustrate exactly. So this is an NF String and Sons roll. Go ahead and, there we go. Okay, which is very common. Okay, we see these all across the country, and they're very well made. I'm not gonna, you know, knock them on that for sure, but as you can see, this end coin right here of the shield cent has the same radial pattern on the very end coin of this roll. Okay, the other side does not, which would lead me to believe that as these are being assembled, all right, so you know, you'll have a blank husk, I guess, or a wrapper, and they would simply take the wrapper, it would go into a machinery of some sort, and then it would just go ahead and spit in 50 pennies in there, and then a mechanism would come down on the end of the roll, and then it would seal it up. So somewhere along the line, in the mechanism aspect of the machinery, there's probably a little arm or something that goes inside to keep the coins down while it's doing the crimping on the end. Okay, so when it does the crimping, either the mechanism's spinning, which is also causing the friction of that little arm to scrape up against the coin, and therefore that's how you end up with that circular radial pattern. Unfortunately, it is damaged. It's post-mint produced, and you know, it is worth just a penny. So grab your pennies, save them up, treat yourself to something nice. That's all I gotta say about that one. But, you know, thank you again for joining in on this one, guys. Quick little explanation on the radial patterns on those coins. Hopefully this video is a little bit more clearer for you. I tried a different camera, and yeah, I'm looking for your guys' feedback. Importantly, I want to make sure I pump out more quality videos. People are clamoring for more 4K material. So, you know, let's see what happens. And anyways, that'll do it for you. So if you enjoyed today's content, it was quick and easy, and a lot of you probably already know that that was damage. You know, you can go ahead and hit the like button down below. And as always, appreciate your guys' support, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Stay tuned for the Monday market report, and I'll see you later. Take care.